Hey y'all, welcome back to another vlog. It's Vlogmas day 17. This is just a quick little intro because I did not, and I forgot again, to start the vlog. But this is just me showing y'all what I'm about to do. So this is all the little veggies that I've all diced up that you guys saw in the previous clip to make my soup. So this has pumpkin, celery, carrots, corn. The other greens I wait until after to put those in. But this is what I'm gonna boil to make, you know, the soup water. We have potato over there, so. Yeah, so I'm making some chicken soup, and this is what I'm gonna put to boil. Then I'm adding the chicken to make the soup. Then I'll add a little knick-knack patty wax afterwards. But yeah. All right, so the pot is on now. Water. I add my salt, and I put, I don't know if you can see, but I put some pimento seed in here. Some pimento seeds. Now I'm gonna put the veggies to boil. So I washed them. I added, what did I add? Some garlic and some onion, chopped onions to the veggies. So all of this I'm just gonna throw it in the pot and let it boil until it mash out. That's what's gonna, you know, give the soup all that nice goodness. So I'm gonna put on the right here, so to pop this in. You okay over there, son? Putting the corn in. Listen, we always have soup coming in my soup. My kids, well, I would say my kids. Aaliyah don't like corn. Layla loves corn. I love corn. Jay, you like corn? You like corn? Y'all likes corn. It's just Aaliyah. I don't like corn. All right. Huh? Yeah. No, I'm talking to the vlog. Make sure your veggies wash. The only thing is all of the onion. Because we cut them so small. Them just swim on. Yeah, but I usually leave them in some cold water, and then I'm transferring them to the pot. Yeah, so this is what the pot look like with all the veggies and stuff in there. Alright y'all, so this is what it looks like so far. It's cooking. I'm about to add the chicken now so it can cook. I made some dumpling. I needed some flour. So this I'm going to use to make dumpling. And a white dumpling is cornmeal dumpling because my mother always tell me put cornmeal in your dumpling. So yeah, and then I have one potato over here, so I'm gonna peel. And yeah, so I'm gonna go. I already washed the chicken earlier. I'm about to put that in, let it cook. And then when I'm starting to add like the ground provisions, I'll come back. But look, it's super come along. Oh yeah, I did add some Irish potato in there. The white stuff that you see, that's Irish potato. Yeah, I did add some Irish potato in there, so I'm gonna still let that cook, and then I'll come back.
A few moments later.
So I just added the chicken, but I just forgot that I didn't have any cock soup. So Ja ran to the store to go get that. So I'm going to let this cook some more. You know, get the broth nice. So I'm gonna let that cook. And I put a lot of water in there already, but I have my kettle and I gradually just add water to it. All right, y'all, ignore the sounds. I'm pumping. Y'all never seen me pump before, but I'm making dumpling to put in the pot. So I make small dumplings. I'm dumping them small and nice. But not make no spinners. I don't want no spinners more. I know, you know what? I am going to make a few spinners, but I'm making dumpling. So the chicken cooked. Now I'm adding the ground produce, which is just potato. Because I don't have no yam. The kids are home. Want to say hi, Lila? Hi. How are different? So make little spinners. Oh, so quick little backtrack. I had pumped, was it this morning? And I got like almost 15 ounces. And would you believe the buckle drop? And it will like spill. Listen, I was so mad. I think I was vlogging around that time too, and I was so mad. I didn't even, because I was just so upset. Them always say don't cry over spilt milk, Papa. But I was literally in tears. That's liquid gold right there, baby. And my supply is going low. Every little ounce count. I was so mad. I was big mad. Yeah. I just had to say that because I was upset. But it already passed on gone. Let's just leave it alone. Alright, so I'm adding the dumplings into the pot. I'm adding Jack came back with, I'll show you in a second. They never have any cock soup, but they had, I usually use two. I always use cock soup and the pumpkin flavor. So I got the chicken, because it's chicken soup, and I got the pumpkin. I always use both of that. It gives the soup this nice rich taste. Ask any Jamaican. No, we know. But yeah, just add those. Have your pot nice and rich. So I'm just gonna finish this and then I'll come back, okay? Liquid Gold Stores here. All right, y'all, so I'm going to add this and about to put my Scotch bonnet. Just that one, yeah. I washed them before I put them in the freezer, and I washed them. World Cup update. France makes final. All right, France, one with your teams. Are you guys watching the World Cup? All right, so I have my little measuring cup, and I pour both of them in there, and it looks like this. Then I gotta add water. Then I do this. This is just how I do it. Some people just throw it in the pot just like that. Sometimes we do that, but most of the time I mix it first. Alright, so this is it. Right. Then I'm gonna see what this is what it looks like. I just pour that in. Stir. It's gonna thicken up a bit. I want it to be brothy. Where time gone? Looks good, huh? Smells even better. So this is what that looks like. I'm gonna leave it on here for another 15 to 20 minutes, make it get a little thicker, and then we come back and show you. Okay, you can turn down the please.
People seeing me eat, the whole internet seeing me eat.
They've seen you eat plenty of times.
Turn off the TV. Alexa, turn off TV in living room.
So, how's it, guys? Very good. It's good?